Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Woofz. In order to do so, here we are at woofz.com. And what is Woofz all about? Well, it's dog training for all puppy owners and owners to be. And you can click here to start training. 150 plus training lessons, winner of the Love You Awards, 20 plus million downloads. Woofz is the right dog training app. If you just took a puppy or became a dog parent for the first time, you want to take care of your dog and finally stop destructive habits, treat your dog like family and your best friend, wish to learn new commands, tricks, and games. And finally, if you don't have enough time and usually work from home, personalized training plan, easy training programs, a health and fitness tracker, a walking tracker. Create a strong bond with your dog. Dog trainer support. You can come here to get your training plan. Let's go ahead and click on Try Woofz. And here you can go through your dog's personality plan. Personalized dog training plan. Your dog is a girl or a boy. Go ahead and go with boy. Go with younger than 6 months. What breed is your dog? Let's just say a Labrador. And really wants us to go through all of the steps here. So this gives you an idea of what you are going to expect when you get started with the Woofz app. Let's go ahead and just go through the steps here really quick. Which commands has your dog already learned? Say sit. Which command has your dog's already learned? Roll over. Catch a frisbee. Okay. Pottying without a stable schedule. Potty accidents during the night. Potty accidents when left alone at home. Can we mark multiples? Yes, we can. Excessive barking. We have behavioral issues we'd like to solve. How much time during the day can you spend training? We'll say 10 to 15 minutes. So now we're analyzing results. We're analyzing current level of learning commands. Oh, best friend. Examining behavioral issues to solve. Setting up personalized training plan. So here we go. Just scroll down here. We've got some information that we could take a look at. And here our training plan is ready. And in order to proceed, we will enter in our email. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's just say no to that for now. Looks like we've got a discount. That's going to be showing up in our email. So here we go. 1 week trial. We can get that for $9.63 per week. Comes out to about $17. 4 week plan right now is $15, regular $38.94. 12-week plan, $36.99, regular $94.84. So that gives you an idea of the pricing and how you can get started with Woofz. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building something special there. We have a variety of promotions and recommendations for AI. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.